Let's take some big news coming in, big development coming in on Parambir Singh's case, the top Mumbai cop. Now, the case in High Court, a big setback to the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh as CBI to conduct a preliminary inquiry in the Hafta Gate. Parambir gets liberty to raise transfer issue. Here's a big development, a big win, it appears, for Parambir Singh and a setback for Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh as the High Court there has indicated that the CBI will conduct a preliminary inquiry into the Hafta Gate, the allegations there of extortion that Parambir Singh has made in his letter to the Chief Minister. In fact, Parambir also gets liberty to raise the transfer issue. We're looking at the Bombay High Court there, ordering a CBI preliminary inquiry. Parambir now also gets liberty to raise the transfer issue. Remember, Parambir Singh, the former Mumbai top cop, former Mumbai Commissioner, had written to Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister, appraising him about alleged extortion racket that was run right under the nose of the Home Minister. In fact, the Home Minister, Anil Deshmukh itself, he alleged, had ordered Sachin Waze, the tainted cop, of extorting money from pubs, bars, restaurants across the city to the tune of at least 100 crores. Let me quickly cut across. We have joining us our reporter from Mumbai, Devesh. Do take us through exactly what the High Court has said. The Bombay High Court, it appears, has now directed for a preliminary inquiry into the allegations made by Parambir Singh on Home Minister of extortion. Also, he gets opportunity to raise the transfer issue.
Yes, Nabila, Parambir Singh, the former police commissioner of Mumbai, had alleged that Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of Maharashtra had asked API Sachin Waze, who is now under custody of NIA in the Antilia bomb scare and Mansukh Hiren murder case, to collect an extortion of rupees 100 crores a month from bars, hotels, pubs operating in Mumbai under the jurisdiction of Mumbai police. Also, similar orders were allegedly issued by Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to one ACP, Sanjay Patil, who is from the Social Service branch, to collect this extortion amount. Parambir Singh also went on to say that Home Minister had clearly stated in what he's mentioned in his petition that 40 to 45 crores can be easily extorted from bars, dance bars, restaurants operating in Mumbai, right, to Sachin Waze and Sanjay Patil. And this was this particular issue was apprised to him by the officers. Parambir Singh had written to Uddhav Thackeray after his transfer, after he was shunted out of Mumbai police and transferred to Home Guards as DG Home Guards. He had apprised this particular issue to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, stating that Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had instructed his officers to collect 100 crores a month in extortion from bars and various other business entities a month. Right. And two officers, which includes API Sachin Waze, who's an accused in the Antilia bomb scare case, and another officer, Sanjay Patil.
Now, we believe the High Court, the Bombay High Court, has ordered for a preliminary CBI inquiry into this matter, and also gives an opportunity to Parambir Singh to raise the transfer issue. He was transferred abruptly right after Sachin Waze was pulled up and arrested in the Antilia bomb scare and eventually the Hiren Mansukh murder case. Parambir Singh was transferred as the Police Commissioner of Mumbai. He has questioned his transfer while at the same time making some grievous allegations against the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of extortion to the tune of 100 crore rupees per month. Now, the Bombay High Court that's heard the matter has ordered for a preliminary CBI inquiry. Big setback for Anil Deshmukh. Of course, a small win to start with for Parambir Singh.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.